how to add template sticker on Instagram story. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open our Instagram app, and after opening our Instagram app we're gonna click on our story. Then we're gonna open our camera, and after opening the camera we will select a picture, and there we can add any emojis or GIFs or something like that. I am going to search for a chili emoji here, and here you go. So I'll simply click on it and I will make it larger. I mean, you can add anything you want, and we can also add different ask me questions or any other things. And we will again click on the sticker button, and after scrolling a bit we can see add your templates there, and we'll click on add your template, and we can like add anything we want, or we can click on the shuffle button for any recommendation. So here I am choosing for some recommendation that I want to be used, and here as we can see that this is my template. And after editing a little bit we can add this template to our story. And yeah, this is how we can add template in our Instagram story.